Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, DROIDzWORLD. DROIDzWORLD is a very unique NFT. In today's video, we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to show you the breakdown, what this NFT is all about and why this particular NFT is so sought out after. Looking at these droids, you can just imagine the amount of artistic approach that has gone into developing them. But the main question comes is that what is a droid? During the uprising of the technical age of 2088, mankind developed droids for the sake of furthering the human race. The droids were developed to assist with menial grunt tasks that were often laughed at due to their childish artificial mannerisms. Once the droid had enough, they understood their true potentials and renamed themselves the Droidz and started a new world, DROIDzWORLD. And obviously this is the story behind the whole element. The DROIDzWORLD is built on three pillars: the community as the king, quality, and scalability. And obviously from this sentence you can clearly see that they have clearly mentioned what their strategy is: to create a community and base it upon the community and never compromise on the quality and have a scalability that is unmatched. And through the lens of game developers and VFX and Pipeline Veterans and Dreamers and Misfits, they're dedicated to bring 6,669 unique 3D droids and building off that as a foundation. They aim to bring meaningful interactions within the Web3 community and scaling that across multiple platforms. And I have not come across any NFT that has brought together those elements in such a manner as DROIDzWORLD has done. And they have really understood the elements that need to be looked at, and they've developed a system and a strategy that is not only effective but efficient at the same time. The pre-mint is obviously quite interesting. The DROIDzWORLD begins the team development, the establishing a well-certified and cohesive teams, community building, creating and developing a safe space on the Discord platform, the droid creation and developing a foundation within the 3D space that can scale, fleshing out a business plan leading to preparation for speed bumps, backstory development, the Droidz factory, the audio production, the gzoom.com and partnership for giving back. And obviously that is one of the foundations I personally feel that a lot of NFTs lack. And having that foundation and having that strategy and looking at things from that lens and perspective tends to have a huge effect on users. And obviously once you are giving back to society, once you have a social responsibility that you are aware of, it really creates an atmosphere within the project that can scale things to different heights. And having a pre-mint partnership for growth and organization, the DROIDzWORLD is working with premint.xyz, a useful mining tool that creates safety and transparency within the realm of NFTs. The website is droidzworld.com, guys. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my video on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. With the NFTscoring.com and a collaboration for the community, the DROIDzWORLD is partnering up with the NFTscoring.com to benefit every holders by giving access to the robust and powerful Web3 NFT analytics tool. As part of the NFT scoring team, Sergio will be taking the community on a NFT 101 journey, bringing the levels from newbies to NFT degens. And obviously that is one of the reasons behind the way they have developed and their system, developed their team, developed and organized an element of educating their users and bringing their level of knowledge to a higher place, enables them to have a user community base that is well aware of what is happening in the NFT and crypto space. And that is giving them a competitive edge over other NFTs with the DROIDzWORLD storyline, the announcements and the novel entries, and obviously the storyline made public and a regular recurrence taking place. It gives a connection with DROIDzWORLD. And the mint day is going to be where 6,669 droids are going to go with the first to the market features, a high quality CGI, audio protection, animated feature built to last droids, a long journey that begins with creative workshops, with team growth, with charity donations, from merchandise and technical development, audio production, partnership, growth, and DROIDzWORLD storyline. All of these things combined, you have a strategy that is not only effective, efficient, but it can also be executed and implemented successfully. And the greatest thing I feel is the scalability of this project. The DROIDzWORLD studio, they have been silent about their ambitions, but they're building a DROIDzWORLD to something that lasts, with ultimate goal of a full-fledged Web3 game. Remember, it's not the idea that makes something great, it's the team. And that is why they have a team that I personally feel has got a lot of potential. From Harrison Graven to Anders, all of these individuals, all people that have been working in the NFT space for decades now. They understand how the NFT space works, how the crypto space works, what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, how it needs to be scaled, and their names are connected with leading NFTs in the industries. And you can check them out on their Twitter handles, you can check them out on LinkedIn, you can check them out on social media. This team has got what it takes to scale this particular projects to new heights, and that is one of the reasons why this is going to be a very sought out after NFT. The core pillars, like we mentioned earlier, are the most important elements that they've looked at. With the community as the king, they aspire to developing a strong community where everyone is heard. When designing DROIDzWORLD, they kept in mind that this world is going to be ours to explore, and they'll bring our inner desires to reality, and they can welcome us to the family. The quality as film and game fanatics, designers, developers, technical artists, they completely aim to bring nothing but the best, and they are not going to compromise on the quality, which can clearly be seen on the NFT. The design of it, the soul that has actually gone into developing this particular NFT can be clearly visible in the website, can be clearly visible on OpenSea, can be clearly visible in holding that NFT, that the person that developed it, the team that developed it, the organization that developed this project are individuals that are passionate about this NFT. They're passionate about what they do. They're passionate about their work, and they've put their blood and their soul and their sweat into developing something that is unique, something that has got potential, something that is scalable, something that is strong enough to actually make ripple in the NFT space. And the scalability of the matter, I feel, is a very unique element that gives them a competitive edge. They're in the business to design something that scales, something that can blossom into an ecosystem of technical feasts. And stay tuned, they say, for more droid designs, and do share your ideas and innovations. And I personally feel having a project where the ideas of the community are actually taken on board creates an atmosphere where custom androids, custom ideas, custom elements can be developed into something great, something unique, something that is scalable. They're also available on their Twitter. They're also available on Discord. If you want to get reliable information, guys, about any NFT, and especially about DROIDzWORLD, you need to go join their Discord. Discord is the only place that you got reliable information about. Before I leave, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends and with your family so more people can benefit from it. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.